Hello. Thought we'd do a little quick take a look. A little Ruger EC9S. The reason we got this, same reason a lot of people are interested in it. It's a 9mm, which is pretty stout little round. And my wife has small hands, so we wanted to get her a smaller, something she could grip, which this fits her hand nicely. For small ladies, people that like 9mm would be happy with this. Good little carry gun. The recoil on it is somewhat heavier because it's a small frame gun. It's a light gun. Yeah, everybody knows that. But it does have nice checkering, good grip. Fits my hand pretty well. It does have a mag safety as well as a trigger safety and pretty nice shooting little gun. We took it to the range. Clear. A couple hundred rounds through it. The sights are fixed sights. Well, a little bit of sharp barrel. 21 feet is about the maximum range you want to do. This is a defense gun. It's not a target pistol. It's a defense gun. It's fun to shoot. Did a little trigger experimentation. Worked on the trigger a little bit. Got a lot of take up. Long way take up. And then fire. Okay. It says in the manual I can do this. Trigger safety has to be pressed right there. Gets stiff right there. And then click. Boom. Alright, I just wanted to show a quick little takedown so people are interested can clean this little jewel. It's not hard to do, very simple. Take down pin right there. You just have to reach through and push it out that way. It's not hard. Push this little lever down where the pin will come out. Ooh, yeah, it came out. Luckily my t-shirt caught it. Even on both sides, there's no right or wrong way. Pull the trigger, slide comes off. There you have it. Just like that. Alright. Good way to clean it, it's no trouble at all. What we did notice was, well, it did have a little bit of a recoil being a smaller gun. Steel slide polymer frame. My wife could handle the recoil okay, but her small hands would fit. I'll try to get her to hold it up in here more to minimize the recoil, but she still have a hard time with it. So I picked up this little 22 long rifle. Not too long ago, it's a Walther P22. This is a Q actually. Very nice little handgun. We're gonna try to do a video on that soon. All right, so maximum disassembly. There's a couple of really good videos on this EC9S and the LC9 that people show it being shot. I didn't do one yet. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit about it, how to take it down further. If you want to take it down further, see if I can remember how to do it. Safety. Yes, sir. Nice little gun. 200 rounds, no malfunctions, no misfires, shooting FMJs, no problem. Looks good. All right, let's put her back together. Simple little thing to do. Nice. Okay. Simple repeat. See if I can get everything to line up now. Uh-oh. Motion detector. I guess I'm not moving enough. Come on, light. I had to do this last time. I have to work on this video light thing. Well, let's see. Let's start it all the way down here. Goes all the way back like that. Then you put your little pin back in it. Simple as that. Take down lever up. Mag safety. Function check. Click. EC9S. Thank you.